Hi guys, welcome back to Managing Magic. I'm Sadie.
And I'm TJ.
And today we're going to talk about our Magic Memos videos and what they are.
So our Magic Memos is going to be our park hacks, tips, and tricks for your stay at Disneyland. Everything from food and snacks, so different restaurants to eat in different parts of the park, and even little like stands where to get the best kind of, the Disney pretzels and all of that kind of fun stuff. Dole Whip, all of it. We're also going to be talking about Disney on a Dime, which is how to do Disney affordably. Disney does have a reputation for being very expensive, and while it can be, we are going to show you some really great wallet-friendly tips about maximizing your fun while also getting the most out of your trip. We're also going to be talking about hotels and where to stay, whether they be Disney-owned, Disney-affiliated, or just really great friendly neighborhood hotels, motels, and different things that they offer when they are close to the park. We will be going over with you also.
We also want to talk about technology that Disney is now offering to its guests, and the biggest thing that I can think of is going to be the Fast Pass system that they have. Both Disney World and Disneyland have their own apps which allow you to make your Fast Passes and also actually make dining reservations. And sad story, I'm actually allergic to pineapples, so I will never get to eat Dole Whip. There's your great story for the day. We're also going to talk about traveling with children in the Disney parks and what they offer to parents in order to allow you to have a great experience with your kids, and also ideas that we have that are great for your kids so they're not maybe so tired when they're in the park. We also want to talk about group travel, and this can also be families or just friends who want to go and have a great time. We do want to also address the handicap or disability accessibility that Disney has, and information that you can get from the parks to help out your loved ones so they can have a great time in the parks as well. And the last thing we want to talk about is actually when to go to Disneyland. Crowds can be crazy. Terrible. Let's be honest. They're not very enjoyable. And her and I go a lot, so we know when's good and when's not. So we'll definitely give you our timeline, what is pretty good and what's not so good.
We'll also be going over how to schedule your day. So going back to technology, if you do have the Disney app, you can actually see a lot of different things, schedule your Fast Passes. If you want to go to the park before opening and be there till after closing and different things like that, character meet and greets, great dining times, parade times, and just how to really encompass a great Disney experience while not feeling rushed or burnt out, and making sure that everybody's fresh and reset.
But thank you so much for coming along. And this series, to be honest, I have finally become a Disney professor. So get your notebooks, take notes, because it's going to be somewhat of a crash course, and I hope you can pass our final. And by final, you're in Disneyland. So it can't be that bad after all. Make sure you're following us on Managing_Magic on Instagram, as well as our Pinterest at Managing Magic.
Also, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe on our video here. Make sure to hit the notification bell down below. That way you always get notified when we upload, and you're ready for any pop quizzes that we might give.
Thanks for coming along, guys.
Thanks.
Bye.